So, I was
Tell
sitting
me
in
about
the
your
bar.
fungal plan. No, I don't care for you. Tell me about your fungal plan.
Well, the fungal plan comes in 3 phases. Phase 1, it's annihilation. Right? I know, you're expecting that to be phase 3. A little early for the complete obliteration of the entire planet, but the only way for the fungal empire to be reborn is from the ashes of the
Oh.
I don't play. At least I need braces.
Well, I was just, like, do you want water with your bread?
Yeah, a little bit of lemon too, please. Thank you.
Okay. I scoot away to grab this for him.
Hey, what did that guy talk to you about at that table over there?
Look, I'm gonna be honest with you, Bill. I think that we have one of those, murderers in here.
Oh, those fucking hobo guys again. Jesus.
He's
They
talking
think
about a
they're so
revolution?
fucking noble because they stroll in here every other weekend. Everybody dies around them.
Hold on, let me
So
get the
fucking
manager.
noble.
Hey, Tom! Tom,
Yep.
you got a sec?
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, look, I'm not very comfortable serving this guy. Could you take the water over to him with the lemon?
Yeah. This guy's fucked up, Tom. You don't even want to deal with him.
radius.
You want me to take a glass of water over to a customer because you're scared of them?
No, you don't get it, Tom.
Okay,
Just-
look, I know that this sounds good, and I just hope that our friendship is good enough where this doesn't affect my raise.
You still gotta get that raise, Tom.
Tom? What kind of faces are you
Office
making right now?
politics.
So invested in this.
Come
What
on,
happens
guys.
next? Tell me what
That was
happens
great.
next.
We've reached the logical end.
I start
Yeah, I
walking
think we
away
bought
with a thing of dishes, and I fall into Jose. Oh, sorry, sir. Tom, can you help me with this?
Call
Show
as
you
you lock,
fucking
as
clumsy
you
ass
lock eyes
motherfucker.
with Tim, you find yourself engulfed with love, looking at the sparkling eyes of this disheveled waiter. Find yourself serenely satisfied.
Sorry about that, sir. Sorry about that, sir.
No. You don't get
Sorry
to
about
apologize.
Sir.
Fucking clown.
Oh my god.
Is everything all right?
But we
Sorry,
forgot to tell you, it's a clown-themed restaurant. Bozo, what? Where you would
You
go with
did
the
your job.
breadsticks?
You did good. Get out there. I want to see more of that.
And start juggling the plates.
Yeah, if you can throw in some juggling, that would really, bump up things a bit.
Serious, for Christ's sake!
What in the mime
Do
shit?
something.
It's gone on for so long.
Look, fellers, it ain't me who's holding the card. It's that feller Jacob.
I think we got you enough time to take whatever out of the oven and eat it. I assume.
Oh, my dinner's outside the oven, partner. Just like a cat outside the bag in a November Sunday afternoon.
Damn straight that is.
Yep.
Hey
Oh,
boy,
wait.
why the fuck you still in this bathroom? Get
Oh,
out there.
God.
Do your job. You
Oh,
fucking
God.
clown.
It's 7:20. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh
Wait
no.
a second. I
No,
remember
that
dying
was
a long
coming.
time ago. Is this the afterlife?
I enter through the saloon doors with a puffed out chest.
Boy.
It is I, Alvin the Archer. I notice that this establishment is not meeting the expectations that I hold for it. I approach the manager, Tom.
Oh my god.
Tom, I thought I left this in good hands, but clearly I have not. What do you have to say to me?
Sorry, did you want a table?
Surely you jest, but you should know that it is I, Alvin, the establishment owner. I puff out my chest and turn around. Everyone here, there's something I would like to tell you all. Something
Sir?
very important.
Sir?
Tommy, you let this guy
Where
just-
to begin? In a word, you are all hostages now. For I work with the Great Dragon Cult. Should any of you move,
Okay,
a
but-
fireball
okay.
shall be launched upon you all.
Fireball, okay.
Do not approach me, Tom, for you had a chance. You're not only getting a pay cut, but possibly cut. I would like to know everyone's opinion on the pork roast. If it is not satisfactory enough, refunds will be given. You, sir, tell me, how was it?
Oh, well, I don't mean to trash talk anybody, but, well, I thought it might have been a little light on mushrooms, you know?
Light on mushrooms? That's
Yeah,
it.
you know.
I'm going into the kitchen now and preparing you a dish myself. I puff out my chest and walk into the kitchen. You, employee number 2,
Yes, sir.
come with me. You will be my sous chef.
I usually just work out front. but-
Dungeon Master, I would like to roll for the quality of this mushroom on the pork roast. It seems as though I shall now walk out with the pork roast. It is so good that my chest is puffed out doubly so. I approach the customer that had previously scared the old employee who is now not there. Sir, please take a bite.
I slowly pick up my fork, scrape off a sizable chunk and put it in my mouth, swish it around, and literal tears come to my eyes.
Oh no! I have made him cry. For these purposes, I shall leave. One day, I shall become the leader of the dragon cult. But until then, none of you are my hostages. Remember, Tom, I'm coming for you next. And I run away.